freaking hot. Are we starting now?
I don't know, are we?
Dude, what's up with the close-ups?
Welcome to forever.
Get a close-up on his new haircut.
No, dude. That's only
Let
on
me
the log
see the
ride.
fit for today.
I changed my shirt.
You
But
did.
You already know, always gotta go with the mortise. Even though I no longer associate. Kind of to a certain extent.
I saw him change. No homo.
Anyways,
Anyway.
I thought you said Michael was coming. Or did he not come? Where's Michael?
You
Leave me
have to
alone.
say it right.
I don't know what you're talking about. Michael! It seems like I've been summoned. Let's go. Yo, we back at Disney. It's freaking hot this time.
Yeah, it's hot. Instead of it raining. My hair is not even cooperating with me, but then right here is Jose.
Hello. How are you?
I feel like we're kind of all tired too, so we're gonna have to get food soon.
Oh, yeah, I'm
if
tired,
anything.
man.
We'll see how today goes.
We're at Disney. Here with Michael. It's freaking hot. We're going to Space Mountain for the first ride. All the Riz boys. Saw, dude.
Mario, how was Splash Mountain?
Not yet, almost.
Yeah, not yet.
We're here at Mickey's new ride. All this stuff is brand new. I will give a review of how the ride is. It's been 2 times that we've been here, and Jesse's finally riding it on the 3rd time that we're out here. Right, Michael?
Yeah.
Never mind, we didn't go on it. It was 75 minutes.
75.
So we're just gonna mess with this little rubber thingy. Some little waves. So yeah, review next time. Sorry. Alright, we got Hello, we're underwater. We're in the Nemo ride for the first time. Oh, this looks cool. Let me turn it around.
Whoa. Can't see squat.
If we're lucky, we'll see a mermaid. Oh, freak. Whoa. Whoa, that's a big fish.
Shark bait.
Está bien, está bien. Why all of a sudden it feels cold?
Because we are cold. It's super cold.
Dude, we gotta get home.
Car
dude.
keys. Are you two ready?
Do you have your car keys?
Boys, are you ready?
We're ready.
Are you ready? Jose?
Oh no, man.
Don't want to get
Jose, are you ready?
I'm ready, Captain. No, I don't need that phone.
Hey, nah.
Look at his shirt. That's not school appropriate.
Yeah, it's not.